dear students. Myself, Amal Sharma, retired lecturer. I am going to teach you English because 2 days ago I taught you noun, pronoun and its kinds. Today I am going to explain the further part of speech which I am going to teach you just now. First of all, I am going to tell you verb. It is a word which tells the action of the subject. अर्थात तो वो वर्ड जो किसी कार्य का होना या करना पाया जाए उसको हम वर्ब कहते हैं. इसको पब्लिक स्कूल में आजकल एक्शन वर्ड भी बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, मोहन रीड्स ए लेसन. रीड्स इज एक्शन वर्ड. सब्जेक्ट क्या है? मोहन. मोहन रीड्स ए लेसन. लेसन क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, ही गोज टू स्कूल. गोज, it is an action word. Similarly, he reads a letter. He reads a letter. She cooks the food. He learns his lesson, etc. These are all action words. Now we go further. Adverb. जो शब्द क्रिया की विशेषता को बताए, जैसे he walks gently, he talks loudly, he goes swiftly, he goes slowly, swiftly, gently. These tell the qualities of the verb, and as such these are adverbs. We can say in definition बनाएंगे इसकी. It is a word which explains the quality of the action. Adverb is a word which explains the quality of the action. As for example, e.g. as for example, he walks quickly. Quickly क्या है? That is a adverb. Walks क्या है? उसके एक्शन. सब्जेक्ट क्या है? he walks quickly. he talks gently. कैसे बात करता है? gently उसकी क्वालिटी है बात करने की. talks क्या है? एक्शन वर्ड. gently adverb. he is a subject. Similarly, other common adverbs are ever, never, always, very, almost, commonly, gently, etc. These are all adverbs which we can use in our English while writing. Now I am going to explain adjective. Adjective is a word which specifies the quality of nouns or pronouns. As for example, Shashank is a nice fellow. He is a good person. Mohan is not very nice, etc. Secondly, I am going to explain conjunction. It connects the two words or part of the sentences. We can say as a definition, it is a word which connects words or part of the sentence. As for example, Ram and Shyam are brothers. Mohan and Sohan are friends. I am ill, so I cannot come to school. So, in this sentence is a conjunction because it connects the two sentences. I am ill, I cannot come to school. इसमें connect so है, it connects the two parts of the sentence. As such, this is conjunction. Further is preposition. It tells the relationship between the nouns and actions. नाउन और एक्शन के आपस में संबंध स्थापित करती है. As for example, he is in the school. In the sentence is preposition. Register is on the table. In the sentence, on is a preposition. Mother loves to her children. In this sentence, to is preposition. Similarly, there are so many sentences in which we use preposition. Without preposition, no one can explain his meanings. Suppose children laugh at the beggar. At is in the sentence is preposition. I sing a song. Sweetly, I sing a song. He is in the school. The register is on the table. Mother loves to her children, etc. These are prepositions. Lastly, I am going to explain exclamation. इस सेंटेंस में मन के जो हमारे हंसी है, खुशी है, सैडनेस है, गमी है, वो दुख वाली बातें हैं, खुशी है, इत्यादि भावों को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं शब्दों के द्वारा. इसके वी कैन डिफाइन इट in this way. It is a word. Explanation is a word which explains the feelings of the mind, that is happiness, wonderfulness, or sadness, etc. These are all exclamatory sentences, exclamatory words. Hurrah, we have won a match. Oh, the sun has risen. Oh, और हुर्रा, ये एक्सक्लेमेटरी वर्ड्स है. अलास, द ओल्ड मैन हैज डाइड. अलास, ओहो, बूढ़ा व्यक्ति मर चुका है. अलास, द ओल्ड मैन हैज डाइड. अलास इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी वर्ड. हाउ नाइस यू आर माई फ्रेंड. ये चंबे से बुलाते हैं, हमारे मित्र, तुम कितने अच्छे हो. हाउ नाइस यू आर माई फ्रेंड. हाउ नाइस, दिस इज आल्सो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. नाउ इट इज सफिशिएंट टुडे. Thank you so much. Dear students, I have given you the basic education which is very necessary one for us to know better English. I have a long experience. I have been teaching English and other subjects for the last 58 years. I have a long experience. If you like it, please share, like, or dislike, but I have no meaning at all whether you like it or not. I will remain giving you basic knowledge of the grammar. Thank you.